This small bulb is more powerful than many prescription antibiotics, and you probably have one in your kitchen right now. Would you believe me if I told you that it could prevent your next cold while protecting your heart? Welcome back to Kitchen Pharmacy. I'm Mark, and while everyone in my office was falling victim to the flu last winter, I managed to stay completely healthy. My secret weapon, this incredible bulb right here. Let me show you why garlic deserves to be your go-to remedy. Every year we spend billions fighting infections with antibiotics that are becoming less and less effective. Meanwhile, antibiotic resistance is increasing rapidly, and these drugs often destroy our beneficial bacteria alongside the harmful ones. However, garlic has been used to fight infections for over 5,000 years, and bacteria have not yet found a way to resist it. When you crush garlic, it creates allicin, a compound so powerful it can kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even parasites. Studies show it's effective against MRSA, the superbug that hospitals fear most. But here's what shocked me most. Garlic doesn't just fight infections. It lowers blood pressure by up to 10%, reduces cholesterol by 15%, and prevents dangerous blood clots. It's like having a cardiologist and infectious disease specialist rolled into one tiny clove. My garlic journey started with this garlic honey recipe. I slice 5 to 6 cloves, cover them with raw honey, and let it sit for a week. At the first sign of illness, I take 1 teaspoon. Here's the key most people miss. You must crush or chop garlic and wait 10 to 15 minutes before using it. This activates the allicin. Heat destroys it, so add garlic to cooked dishes at the very end. For maximum immune support, raw garlic honey. For heart health, roasted garlic spread on whole grain bread. For daily maintenance, add crushed garlic to salad dressings. Important note, garlic can thin your blood, so check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners. Your challenge this week, make this garlic honey and use it at the first sign of any illness. Document the results. I predict you'll be amazed at how quickly you bounce back compared to previous colds.